Hi, my name's Anushree, and I am going to go over how the GUI works, and I'm going to show you examples of negative and positive validation to show how I have implemented my finite state machine. Okay, and so for my finite state machine, I am just checking to see if the first character of the username is alphabetic, and I am checking to see if it is no shorter than 4 characters and no larger than 16 characters. Okay. All right. And so for these fields here, this username and password field is for logging in. This is for the invitation code that you send to your email to set up a new account, which is where I have implemented my finite state machine. Okay, here, this input is for setting an email address to the account, the new account that we're going to set up. And yes, so I am going to input my code that I got so that I can show you how I've implemented my finite state machine. All right. And so for this page, the user account creation, what my finite state machine does is check the username and also, checks the passwords to make sure that they're similar, and checks the username so that the first character is alphabetic, it is no more than 16 characters long, and it is less than or equal to 4 characters long. Okay. So going through our test cases here, I will start with negative validation. So with this one here, okay, so this won't work. And that's because this first character here is alphabetic. And yes, it says that a username must start with a character that's in uppercase A to Z or lowercase a to z. Okay. Right. And then we have another negative validation here that I'm going to use. Okay, so this one, it will not work because it's less than 4 characters long. It's only 3 characters long. Okay. So, yes, it gives us an error message. A username must have at least 4 characters. Okay. Right. And then with this one here, we have different passwords. And so, okay, if these passwords don't match, so it should give us an error that the passwords don't match. And yes, so we have to, the 2 passwords must be identical, correct the passwords, and try again. All right. And then we have this very long username. And this won't work because it is longer than 16 characters. Right. Here we go. An error message. Must have no more than 16 characters. All right. Okay. And now down here we have some positive validation. And so for this will work because it follows all of our conditions, which is that the first letter must be alphabetic. It is no less than 4 in size and no more than 16 in size for this input. So this will work. All right. Yep. Oh, I gave it more than 60 characters. All right. This will work for sure. Right? Yep, it works. Okay. Alright, so these are the examples of negative and positive input validations that I have.